What up, bros? Yeah, I know that.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna take the blue one. Hey, what's up, bros? You see that butter in that lemons right there? Look at that lobster. Look at that. That juiciness. Ah. Nice. Compliments to the chef.
Hey.
Hey. No compliments to the feline. So
Bobby said, send an Uber Lyft, please.
So yeah, they got this deliciousness. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what's your favorite. The lobster, the crab, potato. I point at the. I said potato, but I point at the corn. The corn, potato, the butter, the limes, the chef, the shrimp. About to step on my cat's foot. Just for like added content. That's my PS4 controller right there. But we don't talk about that. We don't talk about that. Once again, no compliments to the feline.
Yeah. You want to be in my picture?
No compliments. No.
Alright.
Dang! She going Spider Cat. She's like, she literally crawled up and
Get a
said,
paper plate so I can put this on top of it.
"Ooh, about to get that paper plate, guys."
Come on.
Got me. Zom, 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 zom.
Paper plate, not paper towel. Ooh, that's alright. Say the grace, put the phone down.
Alright. Peace, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, and click the bell down below. Peace.